Griffith University was probably one of my first picks. Coming from a small country town, I had to go somewhere, and my older sister came here and just spoke so highly of it, so it was always going to be my number one choice, and I haven't doubted that decision since I started.
The allied health degrees offered at Griffith University include undergraduate degrees in physiotherapy, occupational therapy, nutrition and dietetics, clinical exercise physiology, exercise science and sport development, as well as postgraduate degrees in rehabilitation counselling, case management, speech pathology and applied behaviour analysis.
My degree involves a lot of practical work on campus, like with the medical labs and the kitchen, as well as external placements. So definitely in third year, that's where we do like externally, like hospitals and aged care facilities, and then fourth year is my major placement.
So placements in our allied health programs vary a bit, but they all have placements. Some of the undergraduate programs have several placements in different areas. And others sort of incorporate all of the placement into one capstone type course, particularly at postgraduate, for example. We also have a work integrated learning continuum where students are learning about the application of the knowledge right from the beginning of the program, whether that's in classroom type settings with other students, in problem-based learning, case scenario type learning, through to some online activities which are case-based.
Teamwork's really important in allied health because that's all we do when we graduate, and so Griffith University does great to prepare us for that, and it involves a lot of group work and practical work.
Interprofessional learning is important because it helps students to develop their own identity as a professional within that broader range of health and other professions, because in reality when allied health professionals go into practice, they're not just working with people from their own discipline, they're working with people from a range of disciplines. They often work together in a range of ways, in interprofessional ways, and they cover various aspects of healthcare, including in actual, more traditional settings like hospitals, but also in community settings, in private rehabilitation, even within organisations, looking after the health of staff, as well as in education.
I was always sporty as a kid, so I think that just followed along with me, and I've just been involved in it ever since, so it was always going to be my path, even if I came here and decided to choose otherwise, I was always going to just give it a go and see how I liked it. I've just enjoyed everything about it, like the teaching staff's amazing and the facilities we get to practice on every day is great, so I couldn't recommend my degree more.